So yes, my beautiful people and beautiful subscribers, family subs out there that doing the do.